everyone. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Madhumita and today I'm going to take you all to another new park. So come with me. Let's have a quick outfit check before leaving. So, I wanted to style myself with cool tone colors. So, I went with burgundy pants and a black cape type of top, which actually suited my skin tone a lot. Hope you all also loved the outfit. Leaving now. Welcome to Malcolm Cheruvu Park, a hidden gem known for its serene beauty and vibrant greenery. Today, we are diving into the natural charm and recreational vibes this park offers. From peaceful lakeside views to exciting walking trails, there's so much to explore. So, stay with me as we uncover the best spots and unique feature of this place. Let's step inside and begin our journey. So, as you can see, we have actually started walking inside the park. This area was the entrance of the park, and we were just seeing the entire surroundings, what it looked like, what are the things there. That's true. Walking every day helps improve quality of life. We are inside the Malcolm Cheryu Park. As we were walking, we spotted the amazing lake. So, this is one of the most captivating features of Malcolm Cheruvu Park. This is the serene lake of that park. It adds a magical charm to this entire area. The tranquil waters reflect the lush greenery surrounding it, and it creates a picturesque setting perfect for relaxation. This lake is not just a visual delight, but it also supports local biodiversity, making it a heaven for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. Walking along its banks, you can feel the cool breeze and hear the soothing sounds of nature. The lake is well maintained and you'll often see visitors enjoying the view. The only issue is it is little stagnant, so sometimes a foul smell comes, otherwise it's fine. I know it's too dark and it's getting difficult to see anything clearly, but trust the process, things will definitely get better and you will see the views. So this is the place where people used to store water in earlier days. So this is the condition right now. It's closed as of now, but yeah, this was used long back. Hello, we have come to Malcolm Cherry Park. So we have come during the evening time, and that's a little mistake that we made to see the Malcolm Cherry Park. So in this park, I mean, the beauty will come only when we come in the daytime, but nevertheless, it's always good to see both the views, the day view and the night view. This park is surrounded by this humongous lake, and there are many small ponds around here. So you can see both the things, lakes as well as ponds. Since this place is filled with so many picturesque spots, we were busy clicking so many photographs and we were just having a good time and seeing which angle gives us the best photograph. If you close your eyes near a lakeside, you'll actually be able to hear the ripples of the water. The lake and its beauty is so serene. So sometimes just slow down, just be calm, and try and listen to the water. So, how did you like this Malcolm Cherry Park?
Park is beautiful for a walk, and it's a very peaceful and pollution free. It's situated near a lake, but beside there is the main highway. Still, the air here is so clean, and the lake is obviously it's properly maintained, and that's why the all over surroundings is pretty amazing. And the park is very huge because the surroundings comprise the whole lakes. And you must visit this park. There is another park, Durgam Cheruvu, that is I think it's four to five times more. It's a big than this one, but this one is better in terms of walking, and so do visit this park.
Thank you. We walked through the entire perimeter now going towards exit. OMG. Are you guys also seeing this? Yes. Even I was so happy to see this white horse just standing outside the Malkam Cheruvu Park, and it was so beautiful. I really like horses and to see horses. And I found this very interesting. This was a car filled with soft toys. We are going now. Toodles, bye bye. We are going back to our home. And like always, we have come to the end of this vlog. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down on this video if you've liked this video. And some things about Malcolm Cheruvu Park, it's better to visit during the daytime so that you can see all the scenic beauty in a clear manner, but nevertheless the night view has its own charm. So take care, bye bye. I will see you all soon in my next video. Toodles, bye bye.